Want to collect more leads automatically using Systeme.io? In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple lead generation funnel from scratch in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Create a new funnel. After logging into your Systeme.io account, click Funnels from the left menu and then click Create. Give your funnel a name and choose the goal, Build an Audience. This option is designed to help you capture email subscribers. Step 2. Choose a template. Systeme.io provides several ready-made templates. Pick one that matches your style and click Edit Page. Replace the default headline with a clear benefit such as Download my free guide or Get instant access. Step 3. Customize the opt-in form. Make sure your page includes an email input field and a submit button. Keep the design simple and focus on one call to action. Remove unnecessary distractions so visitors know exactly what to do. Step 4. Add a thank you page. Create a thank you page that appears after someone signs up. You can thank visitors, provide the next steps, or direct them to another offer or resource. Step 5. Test your funnel. Preview the funnel and submit a test email address to make sure everything works correctly. Verify that users reach the thank you page and that their contact information is captured successfully. That's it. You now have a working lead generation funnel in Systeme.io. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more quick funnel building guides and check the links in the description for additional resources.